Dividing fractions word problem. Tala baked 4.5 pounds of cookies for 8 friends. How many pounds of cookies does each friend get? So we need to write an equation for this word problem. We're going to do 4.5 divided by 8. But we need to convert the 4.5 to an improper fraction and multiply by the reciprocal of 8 over 1 as 1/8. The improper fraction would be 4 times the denominator 2 is 8 plus the numerator 1. That gives us 9/2. Writing the 8 as a fraction, we can write it as an 8 over 1. The reciprocal is an upside down version of a fraction. So if our fraction is 8 over 1, its reciprocal is going to be 1 over 8. Just like if it was half, it would be 2 over 1. We just flipped it around, see? Now we're going to change this division sign to a multiplication sign, and we're going to multiply numerator to numerator and get 9, and denominator to denominator and get 16, and our answer is 9/16 pounds each. That's how many pounds of cookies each friend is going to get. Now, what would have happened if it said Tala baked 4.5 pounds of cookies for 8 friends? How many ounces does each friend get? Well, now we've got two different measurements. She's making 4.5 pounds, but we need to know how many ounces each friend is getting. We need to make it so that they're the same measurement. We need to turn the pounds into ounces. So we can convert the pounds to ounces and then divide. 1 pound is 16 ounces. The 4.5 pounds that she made can be written as 4.5 as a decimal. We'll multiply 16 ounces times 4.5. 5 times 6 is 30. We carry the 3 and put the 0 down. 5 times 1 is 5, plus the 3 is 8. We put the 8 down. 4 times 6 is 24. We carry the 2, put the 4 down. 4 times 1 is 4, plus the 2 is 6. Now we add our 8.0 and our 72, and we get 72 ounces. And there's one hop to the decimal in the equation, so we have one hop to the decimal in the product. Now we can just divide the 72 ounces by the 8 friends and see they each get 9 ounces. We also could have done it as 16 ounces 4.5 times. Half of 16 is 8, so we would add 16 4 times, and then that half time would be the 8. When we add these all up together, we get 72 ounces. Same thing. Okay? Now, do you notice in this one that there are 16 ounces to a pound, and each one's getting 9 ounces? And in this one, they're getting 9/16 of a pound? Well, that's no coincidence. This is 1 pound, and they're getting 9 parts of that 1 pound. See? 9 ounces out of the 16. Okay? I hope this was helpful, and I hope now you know that when you have word problems, if there's two different measurements, you can convert them so they have the same measurements. Okay? All right. I'll see you next video. If you want, you can go to the JoAnn School homepage to see all my playlists. All the grade school and Algebra 1 and Algebra 2 playlists are in order for the school year. So you could just start with the first video and watch the entire playlist and finish that grade, okay? I also have some neat learning tricks. And you can help support my channel through YouTube fan funding. You can donate $1 or whatever. And you can also go to the patreon.com link that is in this video's description and become a monthly patron for a couple dollars, okay? And it'll help out my dry erase purchases and buying food for my dogs and paper and other things that I need, okay? I'll see you later. Bye.